What's up everyone, it's Sandy. Today we're diving into the world of AI chatbots, specifically DeepSeek and Chatgpt. These language models have taken the tech world by storm, but with so many options out there, it can be tough to know which one is right for you. Welcome to our comparison of two leading chatbots, DeepSeek and Chatgpt. Both are incredibly powerful tools, but they have some key differences that might make one a better fit for you than the other. We'll dive into their subscription charges, availability, speed, and capabilities to help you decide which one suits your needs best. We'll break down the pros and cons, put them through some real-world tests, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which chatbot deserves a spot in your workflow. First up, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, pricing. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, has been around a bit longer and has made a name for itself with its impressive capabilities, but that name comes at a cost. Literally. ChatGPT Plus, the paid version that gives you access to all the bells and whistles, will set you back $20 per month. DeepSeek, on the other hand, is the scrappier, more affordable option. For a limited time, they're offering their service for just 50 cents a month. That's right, just 50 cents. Now you might be thinking, okay, cheaper, but is it actually good? And that's a fair question. DeepSeek claims that its lower price tag is possible because they've managed to achieve a lower cost per token compared to OpenAI's models. Essentially, this means they can process your requests and generate responses more efficiently, which translates to cost savings that they can pass on to you. But price isn't everything. You also want to make sure the service is available when you need it. ChatGPT, being the more established player, generally has good uptime and reliability. However, during peak hours you might encounter some slowdowns or even temporary outages. It's kind of like trying to get on a Wi-Fi network at a crowded conference. Sometimes you have to wait your turn. DeepSeek, being the newer kid on the block, might still be ironing out some kinks in terms of server capacity and uptime. It's like a new restaurant. It might take a little longer to get your food as they figure things out, but if you're willing to be patient, the lower price point could be worth it. So, in this corner we have Chatgpt, the veteran with a proven track record but a higher price tag. And in the other corner we have DeepSeek, the underdog offering incredible value but potentially less stability. Now let's get into the meat of things, how these chatbots actually perform. Both DeepSeek and Chatgpt are built on large language models, or LLMs, which means they're trained on massive datasets of text and code. This allows them to generate human-quality text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. Think of it like this. Imagine giving a supercomputer access to every book ever written, every article ever published, and all the code ever created. That's essentially what these LLMs are working with. So, in terms of basic functionality, both chatbots are pretty evenly matched. They can both hold conversations, generate different creative text formats, and answer your questions. But there are some subtle differences in their capabilities. Chatgpt, having been around longer and having access to a wider range of data, might have a slight edge in terms of overall knowledge and fluency. It's like that friend who's always up to date on the latest news and trends. They just seem to have an answer for everything. DeepSeek, on the other hand, is still learning and evolving. Its knowledge base might not be as extensive as ChatGPT's, and it might occasionally stumble on more obscure topics. But it's constantly being updated and improved, so it's catching up quickly. Both chatbots are capable of generating different creative text formats like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, and more, but the quality and creativity of their output can vary depending on the complexity of the task. It's like having two different chefs. Both can follow a recipe, but one might have a bit more flair and creativity in their dishes. When it comes to speed, both chatbots are generally pretty responsive. You'll typically get a response within seconds, but the actual speed can vary depending on the complexity of your request and the server load. Think of it like ordering food at a restaurant. A simple order like a burger might come out faster than a more complex dish. Ultimately, the best chatbot for you will depend on your specific needs and priorities. If you need a chatbot with a vast knowledge base and are willing to pay a premium for it, Chatgpt is a solid choice. But if you're on a budget and are looking for a capable chatbot with a lower price tag, DeepSeek is definitely worth considering. So there you have it, our in-depth comparison of DeepSeek and Chatgpt. Both chatbots bring a lot to the table, and honestly, you can't go wrong with either one. Thanks for watching our comparison of DeepSeek and Chatgpt. We hope this helps you make an informed decision on which chatbot to use. They both represent the incredible advancements being made in the field of AI, and it's exciting to see how they continue to evolve. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech comparisons. If you've used either DeepSeek or ChatGPT, let me know your experiences in the comments below. Until next time.